Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Venery Global Consultancy. I am here with another video. In this video we will discuss about King Fahad University Engineering and Technology, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, its admission process and scholarship process. We will discuss in details. So before discussing in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can easily receive upcoming all important videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened online application official page of King Fahad University of Petroleum and Minerals. It's engineering university. This university has all departments. I will tell you which departments they offers for admission and scholarship process. First of all, we will discuss check eligibility. What is the eligibility criteria? Basic application requirements for master's program in science and engineering. You should have 4 years bachelor's degree in engineering or science from a recognized institution with a major in the proposed field of evidence of suitable background for entering the proposed field. For example, you are going to select civil engineering, then you should have your bachelor's degree in civil engineering or related department in engineering. And here you can see in your results an average grade point of 3 out of 4 or equivalent is required for scholarship students. For example, if you want to be winner for a scholarship, then your CGPA should be minimum 3 out of 4. If it's more than 3, then it's good for you. And here they have clearly mentioned a grade point average of 2.50 or higher on a scale of 4 or equivalent for non-scholarship applicants. For example, if you want to apply only for admission, not for a scholarship, so if your CGPA is 2.5 out of 4, then you are eligible to apply for the admission, but you will not be considered for scholarship. And here for PhD applications, basic application requirement for PhD programs, an MS degree in engineering or science after a 4 years of bachelor's degree from an institution whose graduate programs are equivalent to those of King Fahad University of Petroleum and Minerals with a major in the proposed field or evidence of suitable background for entering the proposed field. A minimum GPA of 3 on a scale of 4 are equivalent in both BS and MS degrees. So here they have clearly mentioned, if you want to apply for PhD, then your CGPA should not be less than 3 in your bachelor's degree and master's degree. They have some other requirements for students who wants to apply for business masters in business administration. You should have 4 years bachelor's degree in from a recognized institution. Your CGPA should be not less than 3 out of 4. At least one course in college levels calculus which covers both differentiation and integration. For example, in which you have knowledge about management, audit and all other things, they are related to the business administration. Then a working knowledge of computers as evidenced by at least one course in that area, data processing, programming, information systems, etc. And for MBA students, at least 1 year of full work experience. This requirement may be waived for applications applicants with exceptional academic records. For example, you did you did other activities during your for example, bachelor's degree in business. For example, you did internships in different organizations. You have an experience different organizations related to management or business. So it will be waived for those students. These are the eligibility criteria, important requirements. Here, minimum requirements. Your all documents should be in PDF format. Each document should be stored in a correct folder in the upload system. Documents stored in the wrong folders will be deleted or ignored. Along with the mandatory documents, be sure you have the names and email addresses of 2 referees. For example, recommendation letters. Mandatory documents to be submitted during an online application. Documents. What documents they require? Copy of identification, your passport, complete official transcripts, 2 recommendation letters, statement of purpose, passport size photos, and your updated curriculum. So all the requirements for applying in different universities in the overall world are the same mostly. Application will not be proceeded all without the above mandatory documents. You can see here they have given a notice. Non-mandatory documents for online application but not needed before final admission. You should have IELTS to apply for this scholarship or GRE scores required for MBA students who wants to apply for Masters in Business Administration. So these are the eligibility criteria when you will be admitted, and automatically you will be considered for a scholarship. This is fully funded scholarship in King Fahad University of Petroleum and Minerals. So how to apply? You will click here. They have given here, you can see, please start your application. Then this portal will be open. First you have to create an account, your username, first last name, email address, password, and re-enter password. You will receive an activation email into your email address, and you have to log in with your username and password, and you have to apply online and upload all documents. So this is good opportunity students who wants to apply for fully funded scholarship. So this is all about in this video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.